Updating your business profile on eBay Managed Payments is essential for maintaining accurate information and ensuring smooth transactions. Follow these steps to make the necessary updates. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once loaded in, click on My eBay at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access business information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Business Information. Click on it to view your current business profile details. Step 4. Edit your profile. In the Business Information section, find the option to edit your business profile. Update any necessary fields such as business name, address, and payment information. Step 5. Save changes. After making the desired updates, ensure you click the Save button to apply the changes. Review your profile to confirm that all information is accurate and up to date. By following these steps, you can easily keep your business profile on eBay Managed Payments current and effective. Regular updates help maintain professionalism and trust with your customers.